Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is summertime, so I wanted to create a sunset eyeshadow look for you guys using my Madison Beer Channel Surfing Morphe palette. Love this palette, very versatile. It doesn't get, I think, the love it deserves, but I do love this palette, so I wanted to create this sunset eyeshadow summertime look for you guys, as well as showing you guys some techniques on how to hold your brush if you have deep set eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look and my little tips, then just keep watching. All right, I'm going to start with the most neutral tone in the palette, which is this nice taupey color. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to kind of hold it vertically like this and follow my crease. So I'm not going right into the crease, just directly above it, and just holding it vertically is just keeping my line more precise and giving me more control of where I'm placing that tone. So this is great for deep set eyes because our brow bone comes out, it protrudes a little bit more, so that brush can find it nicely. The tip of the brush can find that brow bone nicely and just follow along. That's keeping the line precise instead of going like this and fluffing the product everywhere. All right, that was our base color. Now we're going to build up some more with this nice kind of muted orange color for our sunset eyeshadow look. We're going to hold the brush the same way and just light-handedly go across the taupe color, and that is just going to peek through. This orange is going to peek through on top of the taupe color. We're just going to kind of go above the taupe color a little bit more. Now I'm taking this brush from Prideful, so this is a little bit smaller but more fluffy and rounded than the first brush. This brush is a little bit more dome shaped, so this is not going to pick up as much pigment. And I'm going into this kind of burnt orange color, and I'm holding the brush the same way, more vertically, and see how that's giving us precision. Right on the outer edge, a little bit better precision. We're keeping that lid nice and bright. Because the product's all on the tip, as we're rubbing along the crease, we're not getting any fallout on the lid. So this is a perfect way to hold your brush when you have deep set eyes. Then you can kind of just play with it a little bit. I'm going to add more depth to the crease, so I'm tilting my head back like this, taking that same brush. This is going to give me a smoother finish. Just holding the brush the same way and going along the crease ever so slightly. So I sprayed my flat brush with a little bit of makeup spray, makeup primer, just to get it a little damp. And now I'm going to go into this shimmery orange color, the darker one. Pick up some of that pigment and just place it on the outer corner. Again, I'm holding my brush more vertically. I'm pushing the shimmery color up into the crease to match in with the darker matte tones. We're going to do a halo effect today, so I'm going to go in with this bronze color right above the color that is a little bit more orange. This has some yellow and gold flakes in it. This one is more orange and reddish. Going in with that same brush, and I'm just going to pop it on the lid. I'm leaving this space nice and bright. If one eye is a little bigger than the other, then keep filling until the space in the middle seems about the same. Now I'm going to go in with my finger and this lighter orange color right here. And I'm going to pat that in the middle of the lid. I just want to add some color to the bottom lash, so I'm going to go in with this squared off brush from my Urban Decay Honey palette, and I'm just going to go in with the neutral tone again and go under the eye. Just kind of pulls the look all together when you go underneath the eye with similar tones that you used on top. So first going in with that shade and then going in with the orange color. I'm just going to keep the orange color more to the outer corner. Orange color to the outer corner. So I put some mascara on and tight line, and this is the final look for sunset eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. It will go beautifully with any color eyes, but the orange tones really enhance blue eyes. So if you have blue eyes, it will look beautiful on you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the techniques on how to hold your brush if you have deep set eyes. So test it out, let me know if it works for you, and let me know in the comments below if it is helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.